Hey guys, I'm at an undisclosed location in Virginia, somewhere close, some outer rings of Richmond, and I've run across this, I don't know, what would you call it? Horde.
Museum.
Yeah, more of like a museum. Almost feels like you're in an antique shop that's nothing but like little model cars and stuff. So it's my friend Mike's place. I'm not going to give the address or anything because I know lots of guys would want to come see this, but everything's really close. So me filming everything is not going to be easy. But it's like, well, there's aisles and aisles and just hundreds, well, probably thousands. Well, easy thousands. Yeah, thousands and thousands of model cars. So when you walk in, it's just, and there's just, oh, look at these. How many sleighs do you need? Toy pedal cars. But anyway, it's cold as heck, so I've got a little shaky here. I don't do cold weather good. Maybe the anti-shake thing on the camera will help, but just when you start in, it's a lot of built cars and stuff like that. And then you walk by and you start seeing these old ones everywhere. It's going to be fast. This is not going to be a detailed, thorough video of everything. But this is the guy that brought me. Hey, Mike.
Hey.
Say hey, Mike.
Hey.
My friend Mike Lyons. Me, Heather, Mike, Miss Shirley went and ate, and he brought us to Mike's place. Here's Heather. She's really having a good time in here.
I am having a good time, actually.
And there's Mike. Say hey, Mike.
Hey.
Anyway, he's just well, she just.
I'm sorry.
No, it's nothing. It's nothing.
What'd you do? Step on the edge and it dumped them all out.
On the edge.
Anyway,
I kicked them over about 10
I'm
times.
sorry.
it's I told him it's a little overwhelming. It's a little bit overwhelming. And it is just absolutely
Hang on, let me get my mess.
not done.
I done kicked that thing over so many times. It's unbelievable.
You've done it too?
I bet you I do it at least once a week.
Oh, you come in here that often? It's like some
Every
old
day I
slot
find
car.
Something weird I need.
Something weird you need. Oh, these are all slot cars here.
Yeah.
Are they all yours or did you buy them off somebody?
Look down underneath.
Oh my goodness. It's just loaded. Slot cars. This is crazy, man. This is insane. I would have never thought you had all this.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna mess up.
Just these glass cases. It's literally so tight in here it's hard to get a good camera view.
Look at that. This
What are those?
is for to build the slot car.
Oh, that's the metal spring steel. Oh, okay, and that's what you build the chassis out of?
Yep.
You just solder it together?
All together.
Wow.
Here, you go by me.
Okay, I'm working that way.
I don't want to knock these cars over.
So you don't want to knock the cars over anymore. Yeah, it's just, this thing's just full, completely full. It's also cold.
Yes.
He's got another big shop, and oh gosh, it's full of model kits. Oh, I see a Bob Glidden. Oh, these are all drag cars. Oh my goodness, dude. There's a Bob Glidden. There's a Bob Glidden. There's a Bob Glidden. Wow. And he said I could have anything that I wanted. This is insane.
You know what this is?
Looks like slot car bodies.
3 boxes full. Just vacuum when I race them.
He even collects Coke and Sundrop and Budweiser. Yeah, Tonka toys. Are any of these your Tonka toys from a kid, or you just pick them up here and there?
Some of them are old and some of them are stuff I done picked up. I can't even tell you what half of it is anymore. Over the years, just pack it in wherever I can pack
There's
it.
an old one up there. Wow. All right, he's got lots of. And there's like model kits too. They're just. I said you probably hadn't seen these in years.
Yeah.
Gosh, they're all down here. So these. There's Johan kits hanging out. Socks and Martin. Oh, that was just built. Socks and Martin. Petty cars. I want to show them that one that the one over here that you were talking about earlier. The
Yeah.
let me get it back on. unzoomed. There we go. Where was that? It was not a Nova. It was a
Ventura.
It's right here. Okay. I had never seen this before. Obviously, I hadn't seen a bunch. But he said that this is that Nova kit they've even repopped, but this one has
That come out the same time the old Pro come out, but that's the Ventura.
Pontiac front end and rear end, I guess. And these are old, man. This is, oh gosh, my head's caught. And you said that was before the Badman or after?
That's before the Badman. That was the one that come out. And then they did the Badman.
There's another one.
The 57 Chevy up there, that was like one of the first AMT ones that they're still reproducing now. The one at the very top.
Where at?
See, that gasser.
Oh yeah, that one right there.
They were in here.
Yeah, it's just,
here.
this is wild. I wouldn't get farther back, but I can't. It's literally like if I get like a forearm's width. But I guess when you ain't got room. I know the feeling of not having enough room. But I didn't know it would get to this extreme. God, they are down to the floor. This is insane, man. This is like a model lover's like dream. That's why I won't give you the address. Well, I might after the video's over. He won't know it though. I'll just give you his phone number. I built that as a kid. Yeah, there's a big old 1/12 57 Chevy and one of those big Corvettes. What is this? A 12th scale Monte Carlo? No, it's a 2 kit. 2 12th scale kits. That is a humongous box. A 57 Chevy and a Monte Carlo. Oh, is that what that is? Hold on. That is an old one, man.
Yeah.
Monogram made that? Look at that. That's crazy. There's a pile of Dukes of Hazzards. I believe anything. And the other shop, his like other shop, has got most of the kits that you take, because he goes and vends at shows. He'll be at Richmond, but you'll see this after that. But anyway, the show we're going to. This is crazy. I don't want to make this video too long because it would be. You know, when you go to a show, you think you see them all, and you make another round, and you see more, and you go another time, and you see more. I couldn't imagine. He's just got bag kits, boxes, boxes, and boxes. Good thing he lives in Virginia, because I'm sure I would be owing Mike something. Yeah. Just look at all these. Did you acquire all these, or did you build them, or what?
They're all ones I mainly built myself.
Really?
Over the years, and they're watch cases. Every time I see a watch case.
That's watch cases. That's perfect.
Matter of fact, at MDA 2 years ago, I bought 2 of them in the swap meet outside.
Oh yeah, okay. I never get to go out there.
Yeah, I bought at the swap meet. I bought this one and the one over there, and
man, it's just insane. You got a problem, Mike. You need to seek counsel. You got a serious addiction. But I like it. I'm even looking at the NASCAR kits. I can't handle NASCAR kits. Just, oh, there's a Days of Thunder. That's neat. I'm trying to see if I see any that I haven't seen before. Oh, that's one of those 1/8 Model A's.
32. The 32.
I think it's so big, man. That is humongous.
Yeah.
Did you know you had that, or you just remembered?
Oh, when I look, I'll find stuff.
That would be kind of fun, though. You know, you forget what you got, and it's like getting it new all over again. But yeah, they're just it's crazy. This is insane. Oh, there's this one little cool thing. You got this. Tell me the story about this with the old timers in it, Mike. This display here, because it's got almost all the old timers are built up. The Revell old timer kits. They're like
For For the people who knew Bob Linkus, which Bob Linkus is a big time Virginia person, he passed away. I ended up acquiring this from his wife. I bought it from her, and it's just part of, I keep it, a lot of the stuff that I got from him, because he was my mentor over the years. And I did model since I was a kid, but he actually kept me going to where, how to price stuff and how to look for certain things. So
Yeah.
he was a mentor for sure.
Well, that's neat. I see one right back there. Let's see, right, the black one right through there is the Renault. I built that one. You can't hardly see it, but there's the front of it right there. And this is my favorite one out of the old timers. It's the International, and it looks like a wagon that somebody engineered an engine to. This looks like a really old hand-painted build right here.
Yeah, that's old 44.
And this isn't, you didn't build this?
That was one I just acquired through.
Okay, that's old.
Yeah.
That's got to be built from the 60s, because it is hand-painted. I mean, brush painted.
Hold on, it's the phone that plugged up.
It's just loaded with model cars.
And most of this stuff here I built.
Okay. Oh, that looks cool right there. Oh, that looks real cool.
That was actually at MDA last year.
Was it?
I had that one in the 57 Chevy right here at the bottom, at Pro Street.
Oh, yeah. Man, that's slick. I guess you can see those from the other side.
Yes.
Mike, the other Mike Lyons said you pump out a bunch of builds. He said you're a power builder.
I'm an impulse builder.
Impulse?
I need to slow down, because sometimes if I would slow down, I could build better.
Yeah. This is neat. I watched Steve Mignotti. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
He talks about this is he calls it the last gas, basically, of Johan. This is from the 90s, I think. And then there's some.
I actually bought I bought two of them at Acme. From him direct.
Oh, you talking about the truck?
The Ramblers. I bought some Ramblers from him.
Oh, you did? Okay. And they were from the guy? What's his name? Well, if I think
He's
about it.
supposed to be the original Johan person.
Right. Steve Mignotti says it all the time, and I don't remember. Well, let's get a quick last glance here. I'm going to cut this one short because I'm about to freeze. I don't do this 50-something degree weather. This is just like Arctic to me. This is neat though, man. So many old kits. You should smell it in here too. It smells like old boxes. He's even got new stuff. Now, how did this happen? You got a Stranger Things kit that's got other older stuff stacked on top of it. It's like it's been here forever, but it really hasn't. You made it look like that though.
Well, I had to kind of.
Slot cars everywhere. All right. Oh, and we even got some ETs right here. ET phone home. All right, we got to cut this short or end it. I'm not cutting it short. I just can't be here all night. Oh, what's this? Oh man, look at that. 68 Corvair customizing kit. That's old, man. That is something. My pockets ain't big enough to stick nothing in, so I guess I'll just have to leave. Yeah, too bad you guys can't see this. It is really cool.
I looked it up. The bike was like $175.
All right, you working a deal out here?
Yeah.
That's a Palmer.
Yeah, this is a lot of my stuff I recently built. Matter of fact, this here was a Tidewater show. I got the best tractor and trailer
Tidewater?
at the TAM show.
Okay. You pretty much built all these?
This is recent stuff that I built and had in shows and stuff
My
like that.
gosh, it's just so many.
Yeah, I do have one kind of crazy. These two cars right here.
Yeah.
Last year, before my son had his newborn baby boy, we had a little build off, and my wife was she's the only one that knew. We couldn't tell what color we were painting each other or nothing, and we built these cars, not seeing each other.
Real similar.
And that's how close they come out.
Oh, who built who?
He built the Pro Street one. I did the Pro Touring one.
Okay, I like how you removed the door. You slicked everything off on the sides. That looks good.
And then this is one of my son's first builds. He did.
This one right here?
Yeah. And we took it to ODO last year, and he got tokens from podcasts. And,
Huh. This is too cool.
and as far as you wanted to,
Just so many.
this is the 57 and the Nova that you were.
Yeah.
This is the Pro Street 57.
And they just sit out here all alone in the cold? What are you thinking, man? Put them in your bedroom or something where they're nice and warm. What is this? Just can't. It's
Some
just
old cans I found over the years. They're at some of the back model paints back in the day.
candy
colors.
colors. Now these are they're spray paints?
Yeah,
Holy moly. Pactra.
that's when they Pactra did the RC cars and
Got some kind of antique. Oh, not to mention that there's a, let me back up 2 inches and show you. There's an old Pepsi machine right here. Man, that is cool. Put the money in it and it unlocks the thing.
and then during some of the outdoor shows, I built this. This is nothing but a yard wagon, and then I took a pedal car, put on top of it. So that's my parts. When I go over to parts things, I pull it around and.
Don't trip. Let me step back.
All right. Well, we're going to cut it loose. Appreciate it, Mike. This is really cool. One last look. Look at this, guys. Too cool. This is my goal one day. But more space in the aisles. More space in the aisles. All right. You guys take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.